there's people in the program that are retired, right? And there's people on there that, like for me, right, my background is computers. There's one of the guys that was in my class, he's a priest. So your background doesn't matter. It's just what's inside you is what matters, right? It's if that's what you want to do. I'm Greg Nitti. I volunteer for the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office, and I work full-time for the Secretary of State. I'm a database administrator, so I make sure that the databases are functioning 24/7. I was a volunteer for the Egan Fire Department. I spent 30 years doing that. I started to get really interested in law enforcement. So when I retired from that, I started looking at how I could maybe get involved in that. So that's how I got really interested in the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office. It's exciting. We get to go out on patrol. All the extra things you sign up for, like the parades, state fair. There's just a ton of stuff to do. And the thing about that I didn't realize, though, when I was in my class, people do it for many different reasons. Some people will take the special deputy program because they want to become an officer, right? They want to get involved in law enforcement. Some do it just because they want to volunteer and be a part of it. You don't have to go and do it because you want to be a cop. You can do it just because you want to volunteer.